Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to change photo on X application. So first of all, launch X app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the top left corner you'll see your profile picture icon. Tap on it. From here, go ahead and tap on the option of profile. Once you come here, tap on the option of Edit Profile. Now once you come here, you can see your cover photo and profile picture with camera icon on it. If you wish to change your cover photo, you can tap on this camera icon. For now, I'm going to demonstrate by tapping on my profile picture. Let's tap on this camera icon. Now over here, you'll see two of these options. That is take photo or choose existing photo. So for now, I'm going to choose existing photos so that I can change my profile picture by choosing another photo from my gallery. Now from here, choose any of these photos that you wish to change. I'm going to choose this picture. Now you can crop your picture accordingly. Then tap on the option of Use at the top right corner. You can do the same step in order to change your X cover picture as well. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to change the photo on your X application and your account. Make sure that you choose the option of Save at the top right corner of your screen. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.